It's official now. We are getting fat together.
Today we are trying a shop that not many people talk about, Kagonoya, a Shabu Shabu all-you-can-eat buffet which ranges from 549 baht for the cheapest to 949 baht for the most expensive option, with the best beef and sushi. After you pick the meat, you have to pick the soup. Looks a bit like yin and yang. Oh yeah, you can also order vegetables.
At first, I wasn't a big fan of hot pot. Was everything you see here, you have to put in one pot and then just eat. And that was really strange for me, because I like to have my food on one plate and then I can just eat. But in Thailand, yeah, I think in general people like to have this kind of buffet, put everything in one pot and kind of share the food together.
That one, the one that in your hand is the US beef, like from USA, and it has lots of fat. I mean that. Yeah, it has lots of fat from US, and that one is from Australia.
Well, the fatty Australian one.
Yeah, but I like the fat one better. It's more soft and like yummy.
And also we have two different soups, I forgot to mention that.
There are 4 soup for you to pick, but the 2 popular one are this one.
But do you know what is this one?
That one is shabu shabu.
Shabu, I forgot shabu shabu, and this one is creamy.
That one is like pork broth.
Okay, then I think this one will be my favorite.
You have to try both.
I will try both. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
I remember my first time at a buffet, and you have to use chopsticks. And the first time, I couldn't eat anything because it took me so long to get vegetables in and out with the chopsticks. So I wasn't really good at using chopsticks, but I improved a little bit. What would you say? How long does it take if you cook it inside the pot?
I mean, normally you do just only this. You take the beef, right? And you just like swipe it and sauce. Like I would say around 10 seconds.
10 seconds?
Yeah.
You don't have to wait at all. We can just put it in and eat.
นี่ไงเนี่ยcook แล้ว because the beef is so thin. Let's cook so fast. เนี่ยเห็นไหมนี่ you have to like shake yours too, like okay. Frup. เนี่ย mine's ready แหละ
Oh, it's ready.
And
I want to put more veggies in.
Put all the veggie in เลย
Wait.
โอ้ย
Sorry. This one is
เกี๊ยวซ่า
gyoza, right? You have to cook it first. I forgot to mention this one is a Japanese restaurant.
Shabu shabu.
Shabu Shabu, Japanese restaurant. So you can also order some ramen or other Japanese stuff. With this buffet, you have a time limit? 2 hours or?
It's 1.5 hours for you to order the food, but you can sit for 2 hours.
But you can, let's say this tray.
Unlimited, yeah.
This tray is empty that we can order.
Yeah, we can order more. Here is the beef, and here is the pork, bacon. And this one is called neck.
Yes, give me the ramen, please.
Maybe can
Yeah.
use chopstick like both hands. I can use right hand.
Oh, left hand.
Yeah.
No chance.
No, try my baby.
I'm happy.
I bet you.
I'm happy when I get it with the right hand. How can I do it with the left hand?
Try. Put it down. And like flip. What do you call it? Like flip it. And leave it for like 10 seconds. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah, done. Like when you eat beef, you don't need it to be really cook, pa. It's just like enough. You know how much I love to eat meat and beef in shabu shabu. So there's like, yeah, all together.
Yeah, and as I thought, the shabu sauce, so this sauce, I really like this one. It's my suki sauce is my favorite. This one is okay, but this one is just
I
so.
think this one is good with ramen
Yes, good with,
and pork, but you don't eat pork yet.
but this one is just like, oh, yum.
Yeah, it's just dip the beef in.
Yes, I need more. That really helps if you have someone who knows how to cook this. They just
who's good with chopsticks, they just put it in, like, get it out, cook that.
This probably a bit challenging if online. Cut
Yeah.
eat piece kind of chopper.
I just imagine if I would take my friends to the shop, all foreigners, and who's gonna cook. It's good if you have someone who's already been at this kind of shop.
So you
Yes. Next time I can teach my friends. Good point, good point.
Oh my god, so for right now the beef was so delicious. And if that wasn't enough, now we have ice cream. And that is included in the set.
what?
I'm struggling right now to eat one.
Yeah, save someone for dessert.
Anyways, next video, we're going to the biggest night market in Korat, and we hope to see you in that episode. Bye-bye.